Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss, the XVX60 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, also known as the V-K66. In this video, we'll take a close look at the features and functionality of this keyboard to help you make an informed decision. The XVX V-K66 boasts a unique gasket-mounted structure that enhances the typing experience. With an internal gasket design and pre-lubed linear switches, it offers a smooth and satisfying key press. The gasket design also reduces noise, providing a quieter typing experience. This keyboard features a multi-theme style design that sets it apart from the competition. Between the right FN key and the arrow keys, you'll find indicator lights for Win, Mac mode and capitalization. The keyboard offers laser-engraved hotkey side print PBT keycaps, making it easy to set up custom key combinations. The XVX V-K66 offers up to 19 LED lighting modes, allowing you to choose the one that suits your preferences. Whether you're gaming or working, you can find the perfect lighting mode. The included macro software lets you customize key combinations to match your needs. It features a durable USB-C braided cable that not only extends its service life but also reduces the risk of cable damage. The keyboard has 2 gear height adjustments, so you can find the perfect typing angle. Anti-slip pads on the keyboard's bottom ensure stability during use. One of the most remarkable aspects of the XVX V-K66 is its affordability, priced at just $22.99. Despite its budget-friendly cost, it offers a high-quality typing experience and various features found in premium keyboards. In summary, the XVX V-K66 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a fantastic option for gamers and typists alike. Its gasket-mounted design, customizable LED backlighting, and affordable price make it a compelling choice. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank, the XVX V-K66 is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on UK Pro Reviewer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the XVX V-K66 keyboard, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.